How to replace the back cover. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh, display panel, USB dongle cable, hard disk drive assembly, memory module, wireless LAN module, M.2 solid-state drive, speakers, side I/O board, OSD control board assembly, power button board, system fan, heatsink, graphics card, CPU, wireless antennas, motherboard, and RTC battery, webcam assembly, stand base and wireless charger module, and stand hinge. Removal. Remove the 12 P2 Phillips-head screws that secure the motherboard bracket to the back cover and remove, setting aside for later replacement. Remove the back cover. Replacement. Place the back cover down. Place the motherboard bracket over the back cover and replace the 12 P2 Phillips-head screws that secure the motherboard bracket to the back cover. Important: if you are installing a new back cover, you will need to replace all of the components from the old back cover into the new back cover.